Welcome children in chemistry class. You have to study preparation of carbon dioxide. How we can prepare carbon dioxide. There are various methods of preparation of carbon dioxide. In that, first method is by burning carbon and hydrocarbons. So carbon dioxide is prepared by burning carbon and hydrocarbon. Carbon react with oxygen, produce carbon dioxide gas. So this is the equation for the preparation of carbon dioxide gas. Second is preparation of carbon dioxide by burning hydrocarbon. So simplest hydrocarbon is methane. Methane burn and after burning it produce carbon dioxide and water. Next method is by burning carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide burns with pale blue flame and produce carbon dioxide. So this is the equation for the preparation of carbon dioxide from carbon monoxide. Next method is preparation of carbon dioxide by heating limestone. Limestone is the calcium carbonate, and when calcium carbonate is heated strongly, it breaks into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide gas is produced by decomposition of limestone, thermal decomposition, because limestone decompose on heating. Next method is by the fermentation of sugar. Sugar is here glucose C6H12O6, and when sugar is fermented by yeast, so by the fermentation of sugar, ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide gas are produced. Next method of preparation of carbon dioxide is from sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. This sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, then it will decompose into sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is also prepared by treating carbonate and bicarbonate with dilute acid. So sodium carbonate is treated with dilute sulfuric acid. H2SO4 is the sulfuric acid. Na2CO3 is the sodium bicarbonate. So when sodium bicarbonate is treated with dilute sulfuric acid, then sodium sulfate, water and carbon dioxide gas produced. So this I told various method of preparation of carbon dioxide. I told carbon dioxide is prepared by burning coal or carbon. Carbon dioxide prepared by burning hydrocarbon, that is methane. Carbon dioxide is prepared by burning carbon monoxide gas. Carbon dioxide is prepared by thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate. Carbon dioxide is prepared by thermal decomposition of sodium carbonate. And last method I told, carbon dioxide is prepared by treating sodium carbonate or bicarbonate with dilute sulfuric acid. Now children, you have to study laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide. How we can prepare carbon dioxide in the laboratory. So in the laboratory, carbon dioxide gas is prepared by the action of acid on carbonate. Here calcium carbonate is taken in a wolf bottle. Wolf bottle has two holes. In one hole we fix thistle funnel. In the second hole we are fixing delivery tube. And already in the bottle calcium carbonate is taken. Now dilute hydrochloric acid is added to the marble chips with the thistle funnel. So when dilute hydrochloric acid is added, then acid will come in the contact of calcium carbonate. Hydrochloric acid to react with calcium carbonate produce calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gas is given out by the delivery tube. It is collected in the gas jar by upward displacement of air. Carbon dioxide gas is heavier than air, therefore it is collected upward displacement of air. Carbon dioxide gas is heavy, it will go in the bottom of the gas jar and air will come out. Carbon dioxide gas is not collected by water displacement method because carbon dioxide is soluble in water. Therefore, it is not collected by water displacement method. So, children, you have to learn the equation of laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid. Products are calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. So these I told word equation. Now chemical balanced equation is CaCO3 plus 2HCl. So children, balanced equation for the preparation of for the preparation of carbon dioxide is we take CaCO3 and HCl. So these are the reactants, 2 molecules of HCl. Now products are calcium chloride, CaCl2, water plus carbon dioxide. So these are the products. This is the balanced equation for the preparation of carbon dioxide.